Guys, we got the limos out here, man. There ain't nothing we don't do. What we got Jeff doing this here?
I need new connections for this whole thing. Give me some, give me some butt connections, give me some T-Nos.
Guys, we finished up this car. Let's show you a little. See, about to be booty shaking. He said this car twerks. We're gonna see how much it twerks. Look at this dude here, always trying to steal my footage, man.
Technically, you see that sticker up there? I got a question. Did you come to see Badboysbassheads? You came to see.
Now, guys, we got the battery going in on here. We got the amp mounted. Almost to a point. Put the subs in, guys. This is the owner, guys. That's why I said what I said.
ArmyVet51 on Instagram.
Don't delete me on my channel now because I call the Mopar ugly.
That's alright. We gotta have haters.
What's that?
We gotta have haters. It's all good.
Alright, guys. Look at this guy, man. He always jumping in where I'm trying to film, man. So we going to see what he does. Man, guys, it's cold out here today. Got my jacket on. Look at that sexy thing right out there. It's about 12 different years, all in one truck.
Real, I know.
We got Gaio just chilling. He ain't doing nothing but watching naked women.
He's saying that you ain't doing nothing, but you're getting paid to video right now. What's going on, guys? I mean, tell me. He got my hours and he's making his videos. Am I paying him for his videos?
Haven't I?
Nigga, YouTube paying for his videos?
Haven't I knocked out everything you gave me?
On the court?
Almost done.
Almost doesn't count.
One wire away.
Almost doesn't count. One wire doesn't wait. Almost doesn't count.
Look, our YouTube channels don't want to see us argue. They want to
Yes, they
see
do.
us.
They love drama.
They love that shit.
You mother.
Yeah, we got Rel over there. Look at him. He says it's cold out here.
Close tomorrow. Yeah. You know what? You're right. You just remind me of close tomorrow.
We done caught Gaio sleeping on the job. Must be nice. Hey, Gaio. Yo, let's see what he's got watching. What is he watching?
My wife.
Is she shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
But this is the kind of day that we have today, man. Just nasty. Ooh, that blue thing over there, though. Man, y'all just don't know about that thing. That thing right there is just so damn sexy. No matter if it's in the rain, in the sun. That thing is just so beautiful. Man, I can't wait to get started on this one. We just been too fucking busy. Oh, no, y'all can't see that. Hold on. No, you can't see it. All right, I'll let you see it. It's getting more speakers done right there. It's gonna have some 8s in over there. But y'all see that? Oh, y'all can't look at that. All right, I'll let y'all look at it. Y'all ain't ready for that one. Y'all are not ready for that truck.